YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. First off, I'd like to say right now, if you're not subscribed, please hit that like button, hit that bell notification, and subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned to future uploads, you know what I mean? And if you are subscribed, you know what it is. Hit that like button. And if you ain't got the bell notification on, turn them on so you know about information that I got for you on a daily basis. All right? And guys, shout out to everybody who has been subscribing. I really appreciate that. All the likes I've been getting. I like that people are active. I like the comments, you know. Just a reminder, I do have a giveaway coming at 200 subscribers. All right, so don't miss out on that, man. Subscribe, get part of this, get some of this money. You know what I mean? Um, Also, when I reach 500 subscribers, I am doing a $200 giveaway, $100 to two people. Okay. So and then the $100 is $25 for people, $100 giveaway. Okay. So I'll be cash apping it. Do what you want with it. So yeah, guys, special day today. Okay. Um, we're gonna see what Volt is doing. We're gonna see what the markets are doing, what to expect for the week, and a little info on something that's gonna happen today. All right, y'all. So yeah, let's get into it, y'all.
Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the.
All right, y'all. So Volt is sitting at 607675. All right. I'm going to go ahead and zoom this in. I just like to show you guys the price in the beginning. So as you can see, obviously for those who don't know, we did have a nice big push. All right. About a day ago. Okay. Price touched this level down here and all of a sudden just shot up. We had few big buys.
Some Wall Street bullish buys coming in, man. I contributed to that myself too to support the floor. We had a buy come in with 64 Ethereums, which is $82,000, and then we had another buy come in with $16,000, and this one was my buy that I came in with almost $8,000.
Huge buys, guys. All right. But like I say in all my other videos, that whenever you have a big push, price will come back down to correct itself. Okay. And you know, when investors that let's say have been in it since the bottom, you know what I mean, since the beginning, and they see a push like this, a lot of them start to take profits. You know what I mean? So that's what's going on. But financial advice, I just got to clear that up, okay, guys. But when this happens, take that opportunity, dollar cost average, add more to your bag, okay? And you don't have to do a lot. Just do increments. You know what I mean? Because let me tell you something. Once we head out of this area, once we get out of this zone, once we really start pushing, the chances of us seeing this area again is very minimal, okay? All right, as you can see in the past, that once it takes off, look at that. Once it takes off, it can take off, and it'll be a while before it comes back down. Okay, let me put this on the 12 hours so you guys can see a more clear version of this. But you see, when it pushes, it takes time to come back down. All right, and especially once the bull market happens, the bull run happens. Yeah, we're rarely gonna come back to these levels. Okay. Well, I say that as in like, obviously people are gonna sell. You know what I mean? People are gonna, once it shoots up, people are gonna sell. Expect that. It's gonna happen. People are gonna start taking profits. Okay. As you should. You should take small profits, but don't kill the whole bag. Don't wreck the charts. You know what I mean? But you see, it'll push up, and it'll be some time before it'll make its way back down, and then it shoots back up. Okay. So take advantage of the price it's at right now, because for where it's at in the price where it's at, you can get a lot more for your buck. You get what I'm saying? So don't look at it like, oh man, Volt pushed up just a little bit and it's back down. Yes, it's back down. You got another opportunity to get some more. Because if you saw that what this little push did, then imagine when the bull run comes. Okay? It could just take off completely. Alright? Right now, we're still the sentiment in the market is still iffy. You know what I mean? People are still iffy about it. But once people start seeing that bigger pushes are starting to happen, people are going to start jumping in. So, you guys want to go ahead and take advantage of an opportunity like this and pick up a bag while you can. All right? If you're new to Volt, shout out to you first off. Thank you for joining my channel. If you are joined or watching it, I appreciate it either way. But right now is an opportunity for you to buy. Listen, every crypto right now is down. Okay? And to be honest, want to be real, Volt is actually doing better than most cryptos are. And we started in a bear market. Okay? So, Shiba and Doge are down 50% or more. We're down on about 25%, 23%. Okay? And I'll go ahead and show you guys a clip of that. All right? But you guys really want to go ahead and take advantage of this opportunity while you can. Now, what do I think is going to happen next? So, to be honest with you, I really feel that price is going to continue pushing down to the 7.3 again before it pushes back up. And like I said, it's not financial advice. I could be wrong, but price could come down some more, right? And even come back and test this trend line, all right? As we see over here, okay, so the 7.3 area is still very respected. You still get a lot of reaction in these areas, okay? So, either way, 7.3 or 6.7, they're both strong levels, okay? Now, either way, there's still great opportunities to get more in your bag. Dollar cost average and add more and take advantage of the price. So, I'm okay if it came down a little bit more, only because price will be cheaper and I could add more and continue adding more to my bag. That's all I've been doing. I've been dollar cost averaging my way down. All right, y'all. So, do I think it's gonna hold? There's a chance. There's a chance that it could hold right here, but there's also that possibility that it can come back down to this area. So, there's multiple scenarios that could happen. One being this right here, like I have drawn out. Another one is it coming down right here and maybe ranging before pushing up. Okay, or right here, just go back up. But not financial advice. I could be wrong, but I believe once we get to this level, we're good. All right, don't mark my words on that, but I believe this will be the solid level that will hold the best. Okay, now we did have good couple buys, you know what I mean? Like I said, Pablo 8,000, and there was an $82,000 buy. All right, and just that little bit pushed this up like that. So imagine when people start jumping in, and more people start buying, and bigger amounts start floating and flooding, Volt. Dude, it's gonna be crazy, man. I'm so excited about it. I'm so hyped to see what's next. So once we could break this range up here, this level, dude, it's on from there, man. We're going up. Now, I do believe that, now this is my opinion, if price does hold right here, then that means this was the high, this was the low, and price is starting to create an uptrend, okay? Now, you're not going to see Volt really just shoot up, skyrocket. You could possibly see Volt moving its way up little by little in levels. You know what I mean? Which is normal. It's healthier because that means we won't see such a big drop when these push happens. Because like right here, as you can see, we had this one big candle, but then what happens? People start to sell off. Price has to come down, correct itself. So it's best that we move in levels like this. Honestly, I believe because then we won't see such a big impact. You won't be so scared, because then when people see a big drop, people tend to sell with that drop because they're like, oh my God, we got to get out. No. Know that it's normal for price to come back down after a big push. I want you guys to embed that in your head. Know that when there's a big push, expect for price to come back down. Okay? Now, once the bull run happens, once we're in an official bull run, you can see price do a little bit more. Okay? So, let's go ahead and look at Ethereum real quick. All right? Well, Bitcoin. We'll go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin real quick. I have it pulled up right now. So, Bitcoin right here, I do believe it's going to come up to this level of 18,000. All right? Now, I could be wrong, but from what I've seen before, anytime price has stopped, right, ranged a bit like it's doing right now, price has came back up, retested previous resistance before coming back down, came back up, retested previous resistance, which is, I know maybe many of y'all don't really understand how this works, but if you can see right here, I'm gonna bring out this is called the Fibonacci, okay? And if you can see right here, it rejected this zone 61.8, okay? Now I'm gonna show you right here. Look at this. Look how cool this is. I take this from Swaggy C. Swaggy says that the market is like art, and I do believe it. It really is. So as we can see right here, from here to here, price rejected into the zone, and it closed underneath the 618. Okay, and then what happens? The next candle just dropped. All right, you see that, right? Now, this right here, as we can see, look how cool this is. Look how cool this is. So, price did react into this area, right? It had a 50% reaction, okay? It had a 50% pullback, okay? Came back down. Now, what do I believe is going to happen next? I do believe that price is possibly going to continue coming up. If we seen before, it actually reacts better at the 61.8% range. So this second golden level, all right? I do believe price is going to continue coming up until this level. We could see a 19,000 range, all right? We could see it possibly come up to that level. So I want to say between 18,000 and 19,000, we could see Volt come to. Okay? So, I do believe we're going to see a rally, and that's amazing. All right, guys? It's nice to see the market go green a bit, man. We deserve it, right? Now, this is the weekly time frame. So, mind you, look how many weeks this was before it came back down. So, we could see potentially for the next couple of weeks, we could see price pushing up. All right? Not financial advice, but some very, very good news, guys. All right? Let's go ahead and look at Ethereum. All right, guys? Let me see right here. Okay? Now, I do believe Ethereum also is going to be pushing up as well. You see what I'm saying? Look at that weekly time frame. You notice anytime it stops, it ranges. All right? And I'm just using basic terms for y'all to understand. And look how many weeks it pumped up before it came back down. Okay? It pumped up, came back down. Pumped up, came back down. Now, what has it been doing? Look at previous history. It ranges after it comes down, and then it pushes back up. So we could possibly see Ethereum hit the 1568 up to 1662. Okay, guys, we could possibly see crypto go up for the next couple weeks. All right, before coming down. Now, if price holds and price ends up breaking above this level, you can bet your ass that we're going to go up a little bit more. All right, y'all? We could see possibly 1,800. Well, that would be the next level, okay? So we'll keep it safe. We'll play it safe, and we'll play it by ear. But, guys, this is a very good thing. Numbers came out very good on Friday. All right, like I said in my previous video. So, guys, get excited, okay? But remember, anything is possible, meaning it can go back down. Anything could happen in the world. The global news affects the markets tremendously. If we have another another exchange, something happened to another exchange, then we could possibly see this turn around. But for the most part, we could see price continue up. All we have to do right now is break out of this box that we're in, and we could see price continue up. We just need to see this push out of this box, and then you can bet that we're gonna go up a little bit more. All right. So let's go ahead and get into the Twitter page. All right. Actually, I'm sorry. We're gonna get into CoinMarketCap. All right. I'm going to refresh this, get fresh data. All right, guys. So if you noticed yesterday, we was at the 852 billion mark. All right. For the market cap. Now we're at 857. So we're slowly but surely making our way up. Okay. Bitcoin sitting at 17,441. Yesterday was sitting at 17,252. All right. So we're seeing it go steadily up. All right. Ethereum is still ranging within that 1330 range. All right. We got Dogecoin sitting at 7 cents, 0.6. Cardano 31 cents. Matic at 86 cents. Solana $16. Litecoin 82 bucks. Shiba's went back down under the 90 level. Okay, listen, it's got to pull back. It had a push. All right, so it's gonna come back down. Okay, we got Chronos sitting at 6 cents, 0.4. All right, y'all. So yeah, look at that. We're looking really nice, man. Just know that any crypto, anytime it goes up, best believe it's gonna come back down a bit. All right, y'all. So for y'all who are not familiar with Vote Inu, for those of you who are new to Vote Inu, this is the Twitter page, the official Twitter page, where you can find out anything and everything about Vote. Check it out. All right. Do your research. All right. Not financial advice, but do your research, guys. Whenever you're getting into a project, make sure that's the project you want to be in. Make sure that they're active. Make sure that they have a big following. Make sure that developers doing what they say they're doing, which our developer Watoshi, shout out to you. He is one hell of a developer. He's kept this project flowing. All right. To start in a bear market and to be where we're at right now is an amazing thing. Okay, guys. So we have 105K followers. Come check it out. Follow it. Get active in the community, man. Be part of this. We are not just a project. We are a family. All right. And I'm noticing now a lot of other YouTubers and content creators and investors, they're starting to say that. You know what I mean? Really, we are a family, man. We have tons of lives always happening. There's always spaces going on Twitter. There's always something being talked about on Vote. On a daily basis, throughout the whole day, there will always be someone doing something to give information out on Vote. Okay? Crypto Latina, December the Marco, Jack Gagan, Pablo Crow, me, so many people. Space Chick, Crypto Chick, everybody, man. Listen, there's so many people, okay? And you can find out about anything on here. Check it out, all right? Also, if you don't know about VoteChange is a platform, it's a utility that Vote has where you can go ahead and purchase your Vote at. And not only will you be able to purchase your Vote there, but you will help burn supply. The goal is to burn as much supply as we can so we can have less supply, more demand. See what I'm saying? It'll bring that price up. And that's what we want. But not only that, this utility, man, is not only just for us, but it's for tons of projects, okay? For every single project on the Ethereum and BNC network, all right? Those projects come on here, and they get a chance to burn supply of their projects, all right? So, we have many people now adding the widget to their website so they can burn their supply down, all right? So, yesterday, I covered one had done it. Chuki Ino, all right? Check them out. Shout out to y'all for being the first ones, I believe. Don't mark my words, I could be wrong. But from what I saw, Chuki Ino was the first one to add the widget. Now we had so many back-to-back coming. Like I said yesterday morning, that when one project saw one do it, the others were gonna start jumping in, and it's just gonna be a chain reaction. And before we know it, we're gonna have tons of projects, using multi-change and adding multi-change to their website, okay? And they're burning supply for their project, but not only that, they're helping Vote Inu out. They're helping burn our supply down as well. So it's beneficial to both parties. You know what I mean? So listen, a tutorial on how to add multi-change to your website in a few clicks and for free. Come check this out, okay? And learn about it. All right, guys. Right here we have, imagine what the SHIB burn rate would be if the SHIB army were to use Shibarium and multi-change at the same time. Listen, a lot of SHIB army, shout out to y'all. Y'all want to see SHIB go up to a penny, right? Okay. Well, help burn the supply. Get on multi-change. Tell your people. Tell the rest. Come mess with multi-change. Help burn that supply down. All right, y'all. Listen. Why not take an opportunity when given, right? That's what I say. Releasing utilities always brings a lot of hype, but pushing their adoption is what will eventually bring a sustainable growth and price impact. This is what multi-change stands for. Free listings, free to use, free to add your website. The goal is mass adoption. Satoshi has changed crypto game forever. Okay? Watch other people now try to create the same thing. But Vote did it first. Know that. Vote did it first, man. Alright, y'all? So listen, Jazz. Listen, shout out to you, man. Y'all check him out, man. He's always got great content on Vote. Check him out. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and retweet this. Okay? So yeah, he's absolutely right. Multi-change is setting the standard, alright, man? So listen. Be active in this community, man. Alright. Pablo Crow, shout out. Free tweet for the next 100 tokens that add multi-change to their website. Okay? Burn on every buy and sell any token on BSC or ETH. Okay? And ETH. Alright? No listing fee. Burns listing project supply. Multi-chain. Fast swap. Alright? Retweet. And like. Okay? Alright, y'all? So listen. We have a lot going on. All right, December the Marco, Crypto Latina. Let me go ahead and tell y'all. All right, y'all. So I hope y'all tune in later today at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So 7 a.m. PST time. All right, and I will be on live with Crypto Latina and Z. All right, check it out. Don't miss out on a great moment. Okay. This is amazing. I'm very excited for this. I'm very excited for the opportunity. I'm glad that she thought of me and thought to ask. All right. And yeah, man, check it out. Okay. It's gonna be fun, I believe. I'm nervous, very nervous. But you know, it's gonna be amazing. All right, guys. So, Pablo Crow, check him out. Listen, he has tons of information. All right. We're also partnered with this project Dino LFG. Okay, if you want to know more about it, I have a video down below in my arsenal of videos. Check it out, or you can come to Pablo's page and check it out. Also, there's another new project, Ether token, okay, with great rewards. All right, I'm in that project. I myself invested in it as well. All right, not financial advice. Do your research. Check it out, okay? Pablo did do a live, all right? And, you know, he really says something important in here. So, here we go.
I also did this tweet right here. I wanted to show you guys. For those that are wondering, how is our position versus the other Inus? How are we doing versus Shiba and Doge? How did we do last year compared to those two big major tokens, right? So I wanted to pull this up and show you guys. So for example, in a 12-month period, Volt is down 23%. Okay. Now keep in mind, we launched in December. So all through the year, this is 2022. We're down 22%. Since then, we're actually a little higher right now, but so is SHIB and so is Doge. So we'll go based on these numbers just for 2022, right? Dogecoin's actually down almost 50% all year from the 12-month period. So whatever they were 12 months ago, 50% off of that. Isn't that crazy? And then Shiba Inu is actually down 68.5% from the 1 year mark. So we're doing 50%, almost 55% better than Doge. And we're doing about 66 something percent better than Shiba Inu in our 12-month chart. Okay. And I like to look at these 12-month charts because it makes me realize how lucky I am to be holding Volt. Okay. One, Dogecoin and SHIB are sitting in the multi-billions, right? So if they're losing 68% in a 12-month, that means they're losing 68% in the billions of dollars market cap, which is crazy. Billions, right? And then we're over here sitting at a 45 million market cap, which is nothing compared to these two guys. Nothing, right? So for us to be down that percentage from January is actually beautiful and very, very impressive. It tells you the potential of going on, the potential that Volt has in the upcoming bull market, right? It's massive. It's freaking massive. So I'm pretty fired up about it. I think you guys should be too. So that was a bullish chart right here. I posted the Doge sitting at a 10 billion market cap, SHIB sitting at a 4.8 billion, and Volt sitting at a 42 million market cap. So
right here, guys, I just want to show you something. For those of you who believe that we're never gonna go up or the bear market's never gonna end, I just want y'all to see a little clip of something that Pablo had brought to a lot of people's attention.
What he's saying. So we're gonna listen to it. I'm gonna show you guys.
Next crypto bull run will start. Firstly, interest rates need to fall. When interest rates starts falling, people will have more money to invest, and this will signal for the market to start taking risk again. Expect this to happen sometime in early to mid 2023. Next is washing out the scams. The domino effect has reached its climax after FTX collapsed. By early 2023, the market should be calm and ready to rebuild. Just like ICO scams in 2018, stablecoins and high-yield products need to receive clear regulation to prevent scams in the next cycle. The third catalyst is the next Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin still has a massive influence on the market. Wealth created in Bitcoin filters its way down to altcoins. The next Bitcoin halving is set for April 2024, but the market actually starts its bull run up to a year before the halving. So make that early 2023 again. Next year could be the big resurgence of crypto. Follow me to not miss the boat.
See that the bear market is ending soon, and some believe that we're already in the beginning of the bull market. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty excited about this. Let's
go back right here.
Oops, sorry about that. So guys, yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. So guys, stay active, man. I hope to see y'all later today, or not see y'all, but I hope you guys actually do come and check me out on live with Crypto Latina and NZ, and yeah. So y'all be safe, man. Be smart, and dollar cost average your way down. All right, y'all. All right. Hey.